Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the prerequisites and starting AirPlay so the connection can establish. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and that the TV's AirPlay or mirroring feature is enabled. Next, unlock your iPhone and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This speeds device discovery. Once done, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. You want quick access to screen mirroring. These steps put both devices in discovery mode and prepare them to pair securely and quickly. You now perform the connection action that actually mirrors your screen. From Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then scan the list and select your TV's name. This initiates the handshake. If the TV displays a numeric AirPlay code, type it into your iPhone to authenticate. This prevents accidental connections from nearby devices. Make sure the TV stays awake during this step because sleep modes can interrupt pairing. Once paired, your iPhone screen will appear on the TV and audio follows automatically, unless you change output settings. You finish by confirming the mirror quality and knowing how to end the session. Check resolution and orientation in the app you're using, and when done, reopen screen mirroring and tap Stop Mirroring to disconnect cleanly. If the TV doesn't appear, restart both devices and toggle Wi-Fi. Intermittent networks often cause discovery failures. As a key troubleshooting tip, update iOS and your TV's firmware. Compatibility fixes and bug patches are the most common solution when mirroring repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.